Welcome to the shortest iPhone 14 Pro Max review and big YouTuber final take on it video. Watch the video till the end to know what are the final view of big YouTuber. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is not only the most powerful mobile device currently available, because of the innovative new dynamic island, which is responsible for showing notifications and live activities, using it is a pleasure. Apple's biggest Pro model features not just outstanding cameras, including a new main shooter with a resolution of 48 megapixels, but also an always-on display, a fascinating action mode for video, and ridiculously long battery life. It's not cheap, but it's the very best phone that money can buy right now. Let's talk about the pros and cons of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Pros. Number 1, superb 48MP camera. Number 2, an extremely astute dynamic island. Number 3, the longest battery life in its class. Number 4, display that is constantly on. Number 5, the video games action mode is truly impressive. Cons. Some people will find it annoying that there is no SIM card slot. Number 1, charging is still limited to 20W. Number 2, slightly more robust and weighty.
Have last year's 13 Pro, I don't think you should upgrade. iOS 16 and enjoy. If you have a 12 Pro and have in it to upgrade, the 14 Pro is a pretty sizable step up in terms of performance.
Testing out all of the new features like the cinematic mode and the action mode was definitely one of the things that was really shocking. It worked.
I like to see the action mode. It's pretty amazing. The Pro model as well. Wow.
An iPhone 11 or later at this point, then the new iOS 16 update pushing out to your phone right now is gonna make just as big of a difference to the user experience of using your phone as getting the new phone probably would. So, phone. You should get it if you either want the latest and greatest and best of a smartphone camera available right now, or if you've just got a $1,000 hole in your pocket burning away and you just have to have the latest and greatest